Hey there, awesome people! Welcome back to our psychologically savvy web dev series. Ever find yourself unable to shake off a cliffhanger from your favorite TV show? That's the Zeigarnik Effect at work. Today, let's talk about how this psychological phenomenon can help us create killer, super addictive user experiences. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, so what's the Zeigarnik Effect? In simple terms, it's the idea that people remember uncompleted tasks better than completed ones. Yes, your brain is like a sticky note for stuff you haven't done yet. So, how can we apply this to web development? Think about progressive disclosure techniques. Show your users just enough to pique their interest, but not everything. Keep them wanting to click for more. They're more likely to stay engaged. And it doesn't stop at content. The Zeigarnik Effect can also be useful in gamification. Dangle a few rewards that users can unlock by completing tasks. But here's the trick. Always keep some rewards locked, or some levels unbeaten to keep them coming back. Let's wrap up our discussion on the Zeigarnik Effect. Remember, it's a powerful tool in web development to keep users engaged. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-bending web dev tips. See you in the next video.